Hello all, today's ICP is all about Scoop. Scoop is nothing but a transfer tool between the Hadoop and the relational databases. In our ICP, we have three tasks. First task is using Scoop to import and export SQL tables to Hadoop distributed file system. And second task is creating some Hive tables and using Scoop to import and export tables to relational databases. And third task is with any of the Hive table, performing word count, statistics, and pattern analyzing of that Hive table. Firstly, I have installed Scoop with the directions in the PPT. Firstly, we have to check the Java version, Hadoop version, and then we are moving into a Scoop library. Extracted the tar file, and then I am moving it into Scoop library, Scoop directory. And then I am just editing the Scoop environment template sh file, and then finally I have downloaded connector.java file, and then finally I have checked Scoop version. After it exists, we can proceed with the further things. First task is using Scoop to import and export MySQL tables to Hadoop distributed files. That is, firstly we have to import from the relational database to Hadoop distributed file system, and then we have to export from Hadoop distributed file system to relational database file system. Relational database system. Firstly, we have to start MySQL. This is the command to start MySQL, and this is the command to enter the SQL. And then I have given show databases. This is to show already existing databases. And then now I am creating a database called ICP5, and we are directing this to, we are giving this command to tell that we are using this with this database ICP5. And then I have created a table called student with student ID and student name, and I'm using the primary key student ID. And then I'm inserting, as you can see, table is created, and I'm inserting values like 3 records, Sarika, Shruti, and Sweta, into this table. And I am just displaying that table, you can see here. And to give import or export command, we have to exit from the MySQL. So I'm exiting from the MySQL, and I'm giving the import command, from which we are importing from relational database to the MySQL to Hadoop distributed file system. So here you can see local to Hadoop distributed Cloudera. I am creating a table called student. After this run, you can see I am listing my table which is created, Hadoop FS LS student, and also Hadoop FS category student. Then you can see all my 3 records are present here. This we can view it in Hue as well, Hue visualization as well. Student Cloudera student is a table I have created, as you can see. So any one of them you can open. As I have only 3 records, everyone has 1 record. This is 1 record. This is 1 record. And this has 1 record. Importing part is done. Now for the exporting, just a second. Yeah. Firstly, to export, we are exporting from Hadoop distributed file system to the relational database, that is MySQL. So for that, firstly we have to create a table called, firstly we have to create a table. So for that I have created STUD survey, student survey type of that. I have created a table. That info is, I think terminal has been missing here, but as you can see, I have created a table called student survey, and then I am using export command. I am just exporting the student, this row part M00 that has one record which is Sarika and ID is 10. That should be printed in this student survey. After this runs, you can see the output. See, I am printing select star from stud survey. This is the table I have created in MySQL. After for the export command, you can see whichever row is present in that is displayed here, Sarika and 10. This is the first part of the ICP, first task, that is using Sqoop to import from SQL to HDFS and export from HDFS to SQL. Second task is import and export, creating a Hive table and import using Sqoop. We have to import and export. For import, I have created a Hive. Firstly, I have created a table. Student main. Firstly, I have created a table called student main, and then see, this is the import command I have used. This is the import command. Firstly, I have created a table called student main, and then I have entered some values in that, like 3 records, and then I am importing the student main into Hive table. Hive. Open in file browser. Warehouse. As you can see, I have created a table called student main and importing and creating a new Hive table called students one. So that we have to find out now. In students one, we have to have the records of the student main table. See, as I have given these records were here. This is the import command, and for the export command, to use the complex data types, I have actually used existing existing DB in my Hive, existing table in my Hive, and then I have exported that into MySQL. For that, firstly, I have created a table called movies new in a MySQL with ID and title genre, and I am using this export command. I'm using this export command to export from Hive to this movies.csv, from Hive to MySQL into a movies new table. As you can see, warehouse movies.csv file, we have it in Hive. This we are exporting. After the command runs, output we can see, as we give select star from movies new, we get this output. And for the third one, selecting any of the HiveQL table and performing word count, statistics and pattern analyzing. This is the command for the word count. For that, firstly I have this is the word count. So this word count move is updated. We have to find it here. This is the output where we can see word count. Next, statistics. Analyze table move. This is my table movies. Compute statistics for that. This is the output. And for pattern, we are selecting title from the movies, where title like and the output. Thank you.